Welcome to GoStudy.ae. At GoStudy, we believe teaching should be easy, interactive, and all in one place. When you open My Whiteboard, you'll see a clean workspace, tools on the left, apps and settings on the top, class controls on the right, and page navigation at the bottom. On the left, you have all your writing and drawing tools. Use the Select tool to move, resize, rotate, or adjust any object on the board. Use the pencil and marker tools to write and draw. From the pencil settings, you can choose colours, change thickness, and pick your writing style. The marker is great for bold headings and diagrams. Use the text tool to type anywhere on the board. You can change the size, move the text box, and edit it anytime. With the shapes tool, you can draw arrows, circles, rectangles, straight lines, and connectors. Perfect for diagrams, flowcharts, or highlighting key points. The eraser removes parts of your drawing, and Clearboard wipes the entire page in one click. If you make a mistake, use Undo to go back and Redo to restore an action you reversed. Use the Pointer tool to highlight areas without leaving permanent marks. Great for guiding students' attention. The highlighter lets you mark important content on PDFs, notes, or text while keeping everything visible underneath. You can also change your board background. Click Board Background and choose. Dot paper for neat diagrams or handwriting practice. Grid paper for math, graphs and geometry. Line paper for English writing and note-taking, or a clean board for freestyle teaching and drawing. On the top bar, the alerts icon shows notifications like new messages, layout changes, or student activity, so you never miss anything during class. On the right side, you control your live class. Click Record to save your lesson for students to watch later. In the Participants panel, you can see all students, mute them, remove them, or give them drawing and writing permissions. Use the chat panel to send instructions, links, or quick messages while you teach. You can also send fun reactions like thumbs up, claps, or celebration icons to keep the session engaging. Now let's look at the Apps menu, the most powerful part of My Whiteboard. Click Board to add a brand new blank page for a fresh topic. Use Drive to open files directly from your Google Drive, like PDFs, documents and worksheets, and place them on your board. With Screen, you can share your screen inside the whiteboard so students see exactly what you're doing. The AI assistant helps you during class. Type your topic or question. Choose the kind of help you need and the difficulty level, and instantly get explanations, answers, summaries, or teaching points to support your lesson. Docs lets you open a Google document right on your board so you can type, edit, and collaborate live with students. With YouTube, you can search for a video or paste a URL and play it directly inside the whiteboard. No need for students to switch windows. Use Quiz to quickly create MCQs, polls, or short tests and check student understanding on the spot. The image library lets you insert ready-made images, diagrams and illustrations, or upload your own images by simply dragging and dropping them onto the board. And Embed allows you to insert external websites or widgets directly into your whiteboard, making your class even more interactive. For collaboration and sharing, click Share Board to invite students. You can allow them to write, draw, comment, or just view. Multiple students can work on the board at the same time, so learning becomes active and engaging. When your lesson is finished, click Download to save your board as a PDF and share it with your students. Join GoStudy.ae today and use our built-in online classroom and whiteboard to teach smarter, engage students fully, and run your entire session in one place. Thank you for watching.